What's up guys, welcome back Dandadan. This is Aira Silky form. So I've kind of combined two images. So we got like the full on, nearly full on masked face, but with like some of her leg and more of the hair. I kind of combined that sort of, you know, with her normal face and the teeth closing with the other one. So see if it works. Who knows? Landscape page. Use a pencil, use an eraser. Hit pause if I go too fast when I move my hand. So I'll start with her big eyelash eye. Right, she's got that red makeup around. That's the one color. And let's see what we do. So we go diagonal that way first. Okay, it's kind of a flat, sort of angry sort of eye going this way, right? And I'll just sketch in the rough sort of shape for it first. We can thicken it up. Right. So at the end, sort of back here, there is plenty of spiky eyelashes, right? Just going like this way. I think it stops just about there. You could go the whole way down if you wanted, of course, but it would block her pupil. So maybe one more. Okay. Now, so our bottom eyelid line then curves down from here. Now again, very slender, thin eye. And it looks like it just goes up into the corner here. Like she's got a big frowning eyebrow then there. Right, I think they give her like another eyelash sort of section on the bottom. Like little ones just like this. Animes do that a lot. And then she's looking up from underneath this. So you just do a sort of a half circle like so, and then the pupil in the middle like that. Okay. Right, so frowning fairly heavily. So it's like coming right across here. So I'll go like, is that her? Well, she's got a fringe that comes across her eyebrow actually. Let's see. Fringe goes that way. So we'll do her eyebrow like here, as if she's pretty angry. And then we'll go up and back. All right. Now some of this is covered with her hair, but we can draw it in and erase afterwards or color over. That's what I recommend doing. And you could have like a bit of a nose line or eyelid line starting in there. So then she has this like mask coming across her cheek, right? So I guess, and the eye. So what do we do first? Her nose. We'll get that big high cheekbone in maybe. Yeah, then there's like teeth and stuff. Right, we'll go. Just go here beside her eyebrow, right? And I'm just going to start this sort of masking line here. Right, and this is like the bottom of her cheekbone sort of thing, and it kind of comes up to her nose there. Somewhere there anyway, like her nostril will be there. And then this comes around under her eye, right? So we've got like a little sort of wing section here. And then this comes down And it starts to get like broken up into different sort of rectangular shapes, right? Sorry about the noise. So these little square boxes and stuff kind of come up. Onto her face here, around the eye. And it kind of goes under her hair, which comes across there. So I'll just stop it there. And then this is like, it looks like it's like digital, right? So it's got like these edge lines and like some little sort of cracks and stuff going down. You could do a lot more than me if you wanted, of course. So it's like it's growing up onto her face. So her fringe, I guess we'll do her hairline, and then we'll go with the rest of the face shape. So we'll get like her hair sort of like just zigzagging up here. And she got a big hair spike. So this goes like cuts across here. And back up. And another little section seems to stick out here. Okay. And she's of course got like a bigger one going off this way. So I think her nose just like comes out from here, right? So she's got this big wide nose, right? Kind of just has some extra sort of nostril lines there. Down here, another one in there, like a wrinkly thing. And some coming down the middle. Right, so she's got that black circle eye, so like the big dark, crazy big dark eye here. And this is just black inside. And there seems to be multiple sort of black lines coming around this. And then sort of dark eyelashes, maybe. Like so, and then like textures up all around this eye then. So her other cheek area and teeth and stuff, right? So say the top lip, so we'll go like down this way around her top lip. And this goes up and then around her eye socket here. This will keep going around the eye, and then up her head, and she'll have more of this sort of masking stuff just on the top here. Just kind of like taking over her face, this mask, and then there's also lines coming across that, but we'll just get the top lip in first, like that. It's then the bottom part of her jaw. So we got like teeth here, right? It's kind of starting, 2 rows of teeth coming in that side. And then we have the big jaw section down to her chin, which is real long, longer than you'd think. Which comes up this way and then just hooks itself back up off here in underneath her teeth on this side. And then, so this teeth line connects with this one, right? So it kind of like steps in a bit, comes down, around for the bottom lip, goes back up into there. And then this is a double line. Can't see the bottom of it though. Okay, I'm kind of making this up now, but I imagine it should be wider here and then kind of goes up that way. And then we have all these crazy teeth. So kind of, this is like the top row. And you just add these sort of vertical lines, and then you'll meet the next row. And it kind of just comes around this way at the front, and then up here. You got all these big teeth. In the bottom. Like so. Right. So she's got like these purple, they look purple, but they could be black lines, right? That like travel down her face. They're done with color, so it's up to you if you want to draw them in with line or not. They kind of like curve around here and down. I'll draw them in just so we know where they are. And if we need to change the color later on, we can. They're all curving down the face like this. They kind of come in from our mask. Down there. And then there should be some more on this side. Like so. Okay, so what's left? Hair and sort of her leg standing there beside her head. Okay. So her hair just like flies up this way. Right. At least on that side anyway. And then we got like another sort of massive hair spike And then we'll spike, made it as big as I could there anyway. Spike it back down. And we just go into that spike. And another line there. And then the other side of her hair seems to go up here. And maybe we'll add some kind of like textures on this. Where's that hair here? This kind of goes into there more than the other side. And then we like have lots of hair texture just coming out from here. Just keep adding hair textures. It's just lines that follow the sort of flow, that's all. So I think that's the way her hair goes. And then we have either her, I think that's her shoulder. It's either her shoulder or her small, and then her leg is there. Shoulder or skirt, not sure. Would it make sense if it was shoulder? Maybe. Although it makes sense if it's skirt as well, because her leg is here. But we'll go with knee. This is like her kneecap. And then her calf muscle. And her calf muscle on this side, kind of align with the top of her kneecap. And then her thigh. Going up there. And then sock here. Or tights, I'm not sure which. Okay. It's all teeth, yeah. This is just her normal eye. And that's hair. Okay. Silky Aira. Hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.